This is a UFO2 device. I like to use the UFO device about 3 to 4 times a week. I've noticed that when I use it, my skin feels so much more hydrated, smoother, and it's lifted. Immediately after I use it, my skin also feels firm and tight, so I like to think of this as like my at-home facial. It gives me an immediate glow. The benefits of LED therapy are endless. It helps increase your collagen, which can smooth out your skin and the appearance of damage. So when the LED is applied to your skin, the epidermis absorbs the light and then it starts the collagen production. The great thing about this device is it actually comes with 8 different wavelengths. That's truly amazing. In one device, you can get 8 different wavelengths. The way the hyperinfusion technology works is it's a combination of heating, cooling, LED lights, and T-sonic pulsations that work together to boost the effects of each face mask. Essentially, what it does is infuses ingredients deeper into your skin. So think of this as like your custom facial at home in 2 minutes. So my favorite mask is the Make My Day by Foreo. The reason I love this mask is because it has an ingredient called hyaluronic acid. I am a huge fan of hyaluronic acid. It's an ingredient that's naturally found in our skin that keeps our skin hydrated and plump. And adding it to your skincare routine is so important. The Make My Day mask also contains an ingredient called red algae. And the red algae is great because it's rich in antioxidants. So the two together provide your skin with moisturizing properties and they just promote a healthier skin barrier. I really think that this mask is great for all skin types because everyone can use a little hydration and everyone can use clarifying. So yes, I think this is a great mask because it's great for all skin types. I like to think of this as like a spa at home. I'm relaxed, but yet I'm getting everything in one treatment. It feels so good on your skin because when you apply the device, it's delivering these energies at different times. So at times you're gonna feel some cooling, you're gonna feel some heating, and then you'll feel the pulsation, and then you might feel the heating from the LED therapy as well. It's a really cool treatment, and honestly, it's like basically your own custom facial at home. This is a whole new way to mask in only 90 seconds. For those of you looking to elevate your at-home beauty game, click on the link below.